In this lecture, I am going to show you how to install a third-party Gutenberg blocks plugin. If you search Google for free Gutenberg block plugin, you will see a lot of URL and plugins. But in this lecture, I am going to use this EasyBlocks plugin because it has more than 20 plus custom block which are easy to create any type of landing page by using Gutenberg block editor. Okay, let's install this EasyBlocks in our website. I will show you two different ways to install a plugin in your website. First one is using website dashboard and the second one is using FTP. To install this EasyBlocks plugin via your website dashboard, navigate to plugins, then click on add new and type EasyBlocks. Okay, here you see this plugin EasyBlocks Gutenberg block page builder. Just click on this install now button and activate this plugin. And there is another way to install it via using FTP. You need to download this plugin. Just click on this download button. It will start downloading. When your download is finished, just open this in a folder and unzip this plugin package. Then open your FileZilla software and log into your host. As I am using my local server, I am going to my local WordPress files. You will see this type of files in your server. Just navigate to WP content, then plugins, and copy the main ultimate blocks for Gutenberg plugin folder. Then paste it to your plugins folder. Now again log in your website dashboard and navigate to installed plugins option. And you will see EasyBlocks Gutenberg block page builder. Just activate this plugin. By this way, you can easily activate this EasyBlocks plugin in your website. Okay, after activating, you will see this type of plugin welcome page. You can check the demos from this link. And here is the documentation, video documentation. It will help you to learn how this plugin works. And here is the support. You can join their Facebook page, support from YouTube channel, and here is some free Gutenberg ready themes, and here is the change logs. Okay, and now I am going to show you how this plugin works and how you can add blocks of this EasyBlock plugin. Let's create a new page. Name it EasyBlocks. Click on this plus icon, scroll down and you will see a new section named EasyBlocks. Here you will see each and every blocks which are developed by EasyBlocks plugin. Here you can see hero image, raw, alert, social share, counter, up, image and content, and a lots of necessary blocks. Okay, let's add a hero image. Just click on this hero image. You will see there is a default section created for hero image. Now click on this upload image and select your desired image or upload via your media library. Let me select this image. Okay, here we go. This is our text. You can change the text as you need. And also you are able to change the title color. And then this is our description. You can change the description title color too. And make them bold. And then this is the button. Insert your URL and change the text. Background opacity. Select the color and use this background opacity option. It will highlight your text and button. And if you want parallax background, just enable this parallax background option. That's all. Okay, let's add a row here now. Click on this plus icon, navigate to easy blocks, then select this row, and now here you are able to see 1 column, 2 column, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, let's add 4 column. This row divided into 4 columns. Just type some text here. Test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4. Now if I select this whole row, you will see there is a huge options called margin and padding, background setting. Here from this background setting you can select background color or select background image. And then if I navigate to background overlay setting, from this option you can use background overlay or you can select overlay image. Here is the divider. If you want to use a top divider, just select this top one, just select this one and it's divided. Okay, let's use another one, this one or that one, it's divided. And you can also use divider color too. This is the divider color. Okay, let's use this one, it seems good. And it's the divider height. Okay, this is perfect. And let's add a bottom divider too. From this bottom divider you can see divider in this bottom of this row. Let's select a divider. Okay, this one here you see this how it works. And let's add this color or that color. That color is perfect. Yep. Okay, this one is perfect. And from this option you can select the text color of your all raw content. Let's set black. You can select the link color or link hover color, and the next option is container setting. Mention if you want to create a div for this row or header or section or article. Select your HTML tag, and you can also mention the height of this row. And in the top of this row here you can see margin padding, and if you need space or need to separate this section from any other section, use this margin padding option. And for now let's see how it look. Okay, it's seems it's not working properly because we have used 2 divider and a small amount of text. Okay, let's fix the height and make it okay, 500 is perfect. And now let's preview it, and now you're able to see how this divider actually work. And you can also insert any type of block within this row. Just click on this plus icon and navigate any blocks which you want to add in this row. Just click on this alert and you are able to see this is a promo alert. And now if I click on this plus icon, navigate to easy blocks and add a counter up. Okay, the counter up will be only 1 column. 99k projects complete. Background color, we don't need a background color, let's remove it. And in this block let's add another block. Okay, I think let's do the social share on Facebook, share on Twitter. Okay, share on, let's style it button effect. Okay, only icon, square, medium, social colors. Okay, and the last one, let's add another block. Okay, let's add a feature box. Okay, style 2. Let's preview it. And here you can see this is a promo, subscription notification, it's the social share, it's the project completed, and it's the feature details, feature box. And this is how you can design any type of landing page by using this plugin. And you can download this plugin for free from WordPress plugin repo. And that's all about this third-party EasyBlocks plugin.